Welcome back to Animal Facts. In this video, you'll learn about each animal's slow speed, unique physical adaptations that allow them to move slowly, and some interesting facts about their behavior and habitats. We've included animals from all different environments, including the sea, air, and land, so you'll get a well-rounded look at the different ways that animals have evolved to move slowly in their respective habitats. So sit back, relax, and prepare to discover the 10 slowest animals in the world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos on the fascinating world of animals. Kicking things off at number 10 is the American woodcock, which is not known for its speed. In fact, it is a slow-moving bird that spends much of its time on the ground, walking and probing the soil for food. When it is flushed from the ground, its flight is short and erratic, consisting of rapid wing beats and sudden changes in direction. This flight style is thought to help the woodcock avoid predators such as hawks and owls, which may have difficulty tracking the bird's movements. However, the woodcock's aerial display during courtship involves a rapid, spiraling ascent to as high as 300 feet, followed by a zigzagging descent, which may give the impression of greater speed than it actually achieves. The American woodcock is about 10 inches long and has a plump, round body, a long, straight bill, and short legs. It has a mottled brown and gray plumage that helps it blend in with the forest floor. The woodcock has large, dark eyes that are positioned high on its head, allowing it to see in all directions while probing for food in the soil.
Coming in at number 9 we have the Gila monster. Heloderma suspectum is a large, venomous lizard native to the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. It is one of only 2 species of venomous lizards in the world, the other being the closely related Mexican beaded lizard. The Gila monster is a heavy-bodied lizard that can grow up to 2 feet in length and weigh up to 5 pounds. It has a distinctive pattern of black and pinkish-orange bands or blotches on its skin, which serve as a warning to potential predators of its venomous nature. The Gila monster's venom is delivered through its powerful jaws and is primarily used to subdue prey, rather than for defense. The Gila monster is a slow-moving and sluggish reptile. It is known for its slow and deliberate movements on the ground and can only move at a maximum speed of about 1 to 2 miles per hour. The Gila monster's short and stubby legs and heavy body make it an inefficient and slow runner. However, it is a skilled burrower and can move quickly underground, using its strong forelimbs to dig through soil and sand. The Gila monster is also a patient predator, waiting for its prey to come within range before striking with its venomous bite. Overall, while the Gila monster may not be known for its speed, it is a highly adapted and successful predator in its arid desert habitat. The Gila monster is a solitary and nocturnal animal, spending much of its time hiding in burrows or under rocks during the day and emerging at night to hunt for food. Its diet consists of small mammals, birds, reptiles, and eggs, which it catches using its strong jaws and sharp teeth. The Gila monster has a unique metabolism, which allows it to go for months without food or water. It stores fat in its tail, which it can use as an energy source during times when food is scarce. Despite its venomous nature, the Gila monster is not considered a significant threat to humans, as it is generally slow-moving and prefers to avoid confrontation. However, it is protected by law in many areas due to its rarity and declining population. At number 8 we have the loris. It is the common name for several species of small, slow-moving primates native to the tropical forests of Asia and Africa. The exact speed of lorises varies depending on the species, but they are generally considered slow-moving animals. Lorises have a round head, large eyes, and a long tail. They are arboreal and spend most of their time in trees, where they move slowly and carefully, using their strong hands and feet to grip branches and vines. They are well adapted to life in the trees and have several unique features, including a specialized muscle and skeletal structure that allows them to hang from branches without expending much energy. On the ground, lorises move more slowly and cautiously, using a series of short hops and shuffling movements to get around. They are not built for speed and are vulnerable to predators such as birds of prey and snakes. However, they have a number of defensive adaptations, including the ability to produce a toxic saliva that they can use to deter predators. Overall, while lorises may not be known for their speed, they are highly adapted to life in the trees and have a number of unique and fascinating adaptations that allow them to survive in their forest habitats.
Coming in at number 7 we have the koala, also called Phascolarctos cinereus. It is a small marsupial native to Australia. It is known for its distinctive appearance, with a round face, large ears, and a thick, grayish-white fur coat. Koalas are arboreal animals, meaning that they spend most of their lives in trees. Koalas are not known for their speed, as they are arboreal animals that spend most of their time in trees. Their slow metabolism and low energy requirements allow them to conserve energy by sleeping for up to 18 hours a day. When moving through trees, they do so slowly and carefully, using their sharp claws to grip branches and their strong legs to propel themselves forward. On the ground, koalas are also slow and cautious, as they are not adapted to moving efficiently on flat surfaces. They can move at a slow waddling pace, but they are vulnerable to predators such as dingoes, foxes, and large birds of prey. Koalas are social animals and have a complex social structure. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. They are also known for their distinctive vocalizations, which include grunts, snarls, and bellows. Koalas are threatened by habitat loss, disease, and climate change. They are protected under Australian law, and efforts are being made to conserve their populations and their habitat.
At number 6 we have the banana slug, also known as Areolomax spp. Is a large, slimy, bright yellow or green slug found in the forests of western North America. It is the second largest slug in the world and can grow up to 25 centimeters in length. Banana slugs are primarily herbivores and feed on a variety of plants, including decaying plant matter and leaves. They are also known to eat other slugs and carrion. Banana slugs are not known for their speed, as they move relatively slowly due to their lack of limbs and their slimy body surface. They move by contracting and expanding muscles in their body and sliding along a layer of mucus that they secrete to reduce friction. While they can move at a steady pace, they are not adapted for quick movements or escape, and they are vulnerable to predators such as birds and small mammals. Their slime can help deter predators by making them difficult to grasp or swallow, and it can also serve as a defense mechanism against drying out in dry or hot conditions. Banana slugs are hermaphroditic, meaning that they have both male and female reproductive organs. They mate by extending a penis-like structure from their head and exchanging sperm with another slug. They then lay eggs in clusters in moist soil or under logs or rocks. Overall, while banana slugs may not be known for their speed, they are important members of forest ecosystems and play a vital role in the decomposition of plant matter and recycling of nutrients. It's time to kick off the top 5, and to do that we have the giant tortoises. They are not known for their speed, as they are slow-moving animals that are adapted to life on land and have a relatively low metabolism. Their long, powerful legs are designed for walking slowly and steadily across their habitats, rather than for quick bursts of speed. The exact speed of a giant tortoise can vary depending on the species and individual, as well as factors such as temperature and terrain. However, they generally move at a slow, steady pace of around 0.3 to 0.5 kilometers per hour, 0.2 to 0.3 miles per hour. Giant tortoises are known for their large size and distinctive shell, which can grow up to 1.2 meters in length and weigh over 400 kilograms. They have thick, scaly skin and long, powerful legs, which they use to move slowly across their habitats. While they are not fast animals, giant tortoises are well adapted to their environment and are able to survive and thrive in their habitats. Their slow and steady movement allows them to conserve energy and move efficiently across the terrain, and their long lifespans and ability to store water and food in their bodies help them to survive in harsh, arid environments.
Coming in at number 4 we have the seahorses. They are not known for their speed, as they are slow-moving fish that are adapted to life in shallow waters where they can cling to objects with their tails and blend in with their surroundings. They use their long, thin snouts to suck in small prey, such as plankton and tiny crustaceans, and move slowly and delicately through the water to avoid attracting the attention of predators. The exact speed of a seahorse can vary depending on the species and individual, as well as factors such as water temperature and current. However, they generally move at a slow, steady pace of around 0.5 to 1 meter per hour, 1.5 to 3 feet per hour. Seahorses are fascinating creatures and are known for their unusual reproductive habits. The males are the ones that carry the eggs and give birth to the young. After mating, the female deposits her eggs into a special pouch on the male's abdomen, where they are fertilized and incubated until they hatch. While they are not fast swimmers, seahorses are well adapted to their environment and are able to survive and thrive in their habitats. Their slow and delicate movements allow them to move stealthily through the water and avoid attracting the attention of predators, and their ability to change color and blend in with their surroundings helps them to stay hidden and avoid detection.
At number 3 we have the starfish. Starfish, also known as sea stars, are a group of marine animals that are found in oceans all around the world. They are characterized by their distinctive shape, with a central disc and 5 or more arms that radiate outwards. Starfish move relatively slowly compared to other marine animals, using a combination of tube feet and muscles in their arms to crawl along the seabed or cling to surfaces. The exact speed of a starfish can vary depending on the species, size, and other factors such as water temperature and current. Generally, starfish move at a pace of around 15 to 50 centimeters, 6 to 20 inches per minute. This may seem slow, but it is enough to allow them to move across the seabed in search of food, mates, or new habitats. Some species of starfish are also able to move faster by extending their tube feet and gliding along the surface of the water, but this is relatively rare. Despite their slow speed, starfish are well adapted to their environment and are able to survive and thrive in a variety of conditions. Their ability to regenerate their limbs also helps them to recover from injuries and continue moving and feeding in the ocean. It's time for the top 2, and coming in second place, we have the three-toed sloth. The three-toed sloth is a slow-moving mammal that is native to the rainforests of Central and South America. They are arboreal animals, meaning that they spend most of their lives in trees, and are adapted to life in the treetops. Three-toed sloths move very slowly, using their long arms and legs to grasp onto tree branches and move along at a leisurely pace. They are able to move upside down and sideways with ease, and are well adapted to their environment. Their slow movements help them to conserve energy, as they have a very low metabolic rate and move only when necessary. In fact, three-toed sloths are one of the slowest moving animals in the world, with an average speed of around 0.24 kilometers per hour, 0.15 miles per hour. They are primarily active at night, and spend most of their time sleeping or resting in the trees during the day. Despite their slow speed, three-toed sloths are well adapted to their environment and are an important part of the rainforest ecosystem. They play a key role in spreading seeds and nutrients throughout the forest, and are a valuable source of food for predators such as eagles, jaguars, and snakes. Coming in today's list at number 1 for the slowest animal on Earth we have the garden snail, which should not be a huge surprise to anyone, I hope. The garden snail, also known as the common snail, is a slow-moving terrestrial mollusk that is found in gardens and other habitats throughout the world. They have a distinctive spiral shell that protects their soft body, and move by contracting and expanding their foot, which is a large muscular structure located on the bottom of their body. Garden snails are very slow-moving animals, with an average speed of around 0.03 kilometers per hour, 0.02 miles per hour. They move at this pace by gliding along on a layer of mucus that they secrete from their body, which helps to reduce friction and prevent damage to their delicate foot. Despite their slow speed, garden snails are well adapted to their environment and are able to survive and thrive in a variety of conditions. They are able to hibernate during periods of extreme weather, and are able to find food and shelter in a variety of habitats. They are also important members of many ecosystems, where they play a key role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. We have come to the end of today's video, but before you go, many thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Please to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment and future videos you would like to see made on this channel. This is Animal Facts. See you next time with more facts.